That was awesome.
Wow.
You can cook me stuff now.
Finally!
So you can use all those little ingredients that you got to make your own stuff.
This is so awesome! I can't believe I got this.
She really wanted that.
Really badly.
Cool.
Whoa. Okay, now my last present.
It's a puppy dog.
There's just a dog in there.
No one knows. No one. Oh. It's nice. Don't touch it, Ashley.
Where's Jade?
It's a fake puppy. Wait a second.
It's a cat.
It's a for real friend. How I knew that, don't even. I used to get this all the time. Just don't touch me.
It walks.
Can I fit cheeks in this?
Give her that back.
I'm gonna name it Fluffy.
And he shall be mine. And he shall be
It's so
mine.
cool. Who is this from? Who is this from?
Santa.
Thank you, Santa.
I love it that they they're like, thank you, Santa. Like, God. Like he's got or something.
Thank you, Santa.
That's so cool.